Hello everyone, a very good evening to you all. To all my dear students, to all my dear viewers and to all my dear friends. I am Avinash, an advocate at Supreme Court of India, and in this session, the legal breaking that I am going to explain you all and inform you all about that coming straight from the Supreme Court of India. And the judge in question who gave the judgment is Honorable Mrs. Justice B.V. Nagaratna, the same judge who gave the dissenting opinion in the demonetization case. She held that hate speech, that she was basically dealing with the case in which it was relating to the freedom of speech of public functionaries. Freedom of speech and of public functionaries, those who are in public domain, right? To what extent their freedom of speech under Article 19, Clause 1, Subclause A of the Constitution extends to, right? So here, the Honorable Supreme Court Judge Justice B.V. Nagaratna, she held that hate speech strikes at the foundational core values of the Constitution and it leads to inequalities amongst the society. And every Indian, all Indians have the right to lead their respective lives in a very dignified manner, and that is the duty of every Indian to uphold the dignity of any individual irrespective of any caste or any religion. To say, she basically made a point striking at the core values of the Constitution, that hate speech basically hammers the very essence of the Constitution, and all those persons who are in the public domain, all those who are public functionaries, they should not be acting in such a manner as they create some kind of hate and uproar in the society, because that will lead to inequalities amongst our own countrymen, right? Because they all have the right to look after themselves, and they all have the right to keep their head held high and walk with their head straight upwards, right? This was held by Honorable Justice B.V. Nagaratna, Supreme Court Judge. I hope that you have understood this, and keep yourself stay tuned for any kind of legal breaking coming from the courtrooms of be it Supreme Court or the High Courts. Thank you everyone for watching me over here. Jai Hind.